Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Fast. I'm Lisa. So happy you could join us again.
And I'm Mark. We're here to help you build your English skills step by step, naturally and confidently.
We've covered many important tips in our previous episodes: setting goals, listening carefully, thinking in English, speaking every day, learning vocabulary in context, and using English media.
Today, we focus on one of the best ways to improve your English fast, practicing with friends and language partners.
Practicing with other people is where your skills really grow because it's real conversation, real interaction, and real feedback.
Part 1. Why practicing with others is important. Lisa, why do you think practicing English with other people is so important?
Great question, Mark. When you practice with others, you don't just repeat what you know, you actually use your English. You have to listen, understand, think, and respond quickly.
Yes, conversation is a two-way street. You can't just talk, you have to listen too. That helps improve your understanding and speaking at the same time.
Also, practicing with friends or language partners gives you support. They can gently correct your mistakes or help you find the right words.
Plus, it's much more fun and motivating. You build friendships and share your learning journey.
And importantly, it builds your confidence. Speaking with real people helps reduce fear and anxiety over time.
Part 2. Where to find friends and language partners. Many learners ask, where can I find people to practice with? There are lots of ways.
Yes. First, check if your city has language exchange meetups. These are groups where people meet regularly to practice languages.
If you don't have local groups, the internet is your best friend. Apps like Tandem and HelloTalk connect you with language learners worldwide.
Facebook and other social media platforms have many English learning groups where you can find partners.
Also, don't forget your classmates, coworkers, or even family members who can speak English. Practice doesn't have to be formal.
Even practicing with yourself or recording your conversations and listening back is helpful while you look for partners.
Part 3. How to start practicing. Starting to practice with others can feel scary. What advice do you have, Mark?
Start small and simple. Begin with greetings like, "Hello, how are you?" and short conversations about easy topics.
Yes, ask simple questions. What did you do today? Or what is your favorite food?
Try to listen carefully and answer honestly. Don't worry about mistakes.
It's okay if you need to ask someone to repeat or speak slower.
The most important thing is to try and keep going.
Part 4. Practice topics to try with friends. Let's talk about some useful topics you can practice.
Daily routines are great. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Hobbies and interests are also fun to talk about. I like reading books. I enjoy playing football.
Food and cooking is a favorite topic. You can say, I like Italian food. I often cook rice and vegetables.
Travel and holidays help you practice past and future tenses, like last year I visited Thailand. Next month I want to go to Japan.
Work and studies are useful too. I work as a teacher. I study English every day.
Part 5. Tips to keep practicing regularly.
Practicing regularly is the key to improvement. How do you stay consistent, Mark?
I schedule specific times with my language partners, so we meet every week.
Using video calls is a good way to practice when you can't meet in person.
Before each conversation, I prepare a list of questions or topics to talk about.
And after talking, I review new words and phrases I learned.
Be patient and kind to yourself. Improvement takes time. Part 6. Lisa and Mark's practice experience. I remember when I first started practicing with friends.
It was a little scary at first.
Me too. I was nervous about making mistakes and not being understood.
But my friends were very supportive, and we often laughed about funny mistakes.
That made learning fun and relaxed. We learned from each other.
Now, practicing with friends is one of my favorite ways to improve.
Part 7. Practice together.
Let's try a longer practice conversation. Repeat after me.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine. What did you do today?
I studied English and practiced speaking with a friend.
That's great. What topic did you practice?
We talked about our hobbies and favorite foods.
Awesome. Practicing topics like that helps you learn useful words. Thank you for listening to episode 7 of Learn English Fast.
In the next episode, we'll talk about how to improve your English pronunciation.
Make sure to subscribe, keep practicing with friends or language partners, and enjoy the journey.
See you next time.